In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Amazon Prime membership using a desktop or web browser. This process is straightforward and quite handy if you're wondering about your membership status, renewal date, or plan details. Whether you're thinking of managing your membership or simply want to ensure everything is in order, I'm here to guide you through the entire process step by step, ensuring you feel comfortable and confident. First, let's navigate to Amazon's website. Begin by logging into your account. This is important because only after signing in will you have access to your personal account information. Once you're logged in, move your cursor up to the top right corner of the screen where you see Accounts and Lists. Don't click it just yet. Instead, hover your mouse over it. A drop-down menu will appear, giving you various options to choose from. From this drop-down menu, go ahead and click on Your Account. This selection will redirect you to the account page. Now, you're going to look for an option that may say Prime or Manage Prime Membership. Occasionally, it is listed slightly differently as Your Prime Membership. The wording might vary, but essentially, it leads you to the same place. This variation can sometimes depend on updates or regional differences, so just keep an eye out for those keywords. Once you find it, go ahead and click. Now you've reached the page where you can see all your membership details. Right here, you'll get a comprehensive view of your membership status, whether it's active, on a trial period, or expired. You will also find information on your renewal date, which is particularly useful if you're planning your budget or considering any changes. Moreover, you'll see details about your payment method and the specifics of your current plan. This page is a hub of information, not just for viewing, but also for making adjustments to your membership if needed. If you're thinking about managing your membership, perhaps updating information, or even canceling for the time being, those options are available to you right here. This setup provides a user-friendly way to oversee your subscription and make any necessary changes seamlessly. And that's it. Checking your Amazon Prime membership from your desktop or web browser is truly that simple. By following these steps, you'll always be up to date with your membership status and have full control over your account. Whether it's planning your next binge watch session, knowing exactly when your renewal date is, or choosing to manage your account settings, you now have the knowledge at your fingertips. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out.